guys, welcome back to my channel. Just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to transform another set of press-ons. These press-ons were purchased off of Shein, and I'll be sure to put the link in the description down below. They are super inexpensive. As you can see, they come with these cheap stickers. Just throw those out. Never ever use them. I'm going to show you guys how to transform these nails and turn them into nails that look super natural, like a full set. But here are the nails, super cute. You always want to opt for nails when press-ons, and if you do this method, you always want to opt for nails that are kind of translucent and really thin, because those are going to give you the best look. And I know that sounds like backwards, but you'll see later in the video what I mean. But as you can see, I'm just going in and sizing them out before I apply the nails. And as you can see, these nails are super translucent, super thin, which is perfect. That's exactly what you want to shoot for. These nails are so cute. I love how dainty they are. They have like a beautiful, minimalistic, yet still spunky design. So these are really cute and they're super affordable. I believe they were only around $2. So to apply these press-ons, we're actually going to be using polygel. And for my slip solution, as you can see, I did use alcohol. And my polygel is Model 1's. This is in the shade Light Apricot. You guys know this is my all-time favorite. Any nude polygel will do, or even a pink polygel will do, because this is kind of going to be our base layer. So as you can see, I'm just going in with a pea-size amount. Since this full nail cover or the false nails are kind of thin, you just want to build it up to the thickness, I guess, that you prefer. So you don't want to put too much polygel in it. You just want to get the perfect amount to the point where the nail is pretty much flush and it has a really nice structure. But as you can see here, after I apply the polygel, you just want to spread it evenly across the whole nail. Flip your nail over, get the excess polygel that may have oozed out around the sides before curing, and you're ready to go. So this is super nice because it helps add that additional layer of strength rather than just gluing on press-ons with regular nail glue, or even worse, those nail stickers that it came with. I mean, like, who really uses those? But yeah, not only does it add that extra layer of strength, but it helps your press-on nails be really durable and last a long time. When you use that nail glue or nail stickers, whatever, it really makes the press-ons last a week, if that. When doing this and actually fully prepping your nails, it can definitely last a good 2-3+ weeks. And honestly, it lasts until you want to take them off. And in regards to prep, I did not show my prep in this video. If you do want to know of my full prep routine, I'll be sure to have a video listed down below where I show you my full prep routine from start to finish. But yeah, so I'm just going to go in and apply these to all of my nails and then cure. I get this question a lot, how long do I cure? For each nail, if you do it nail by nail, I would say a good 30 seconds. I typically try and do all 4 fingers at once and then put my hand in there for 30 seconds just to eliminate that time my hand is in and out of that lamp. But it really just depends on the flow of things. If your nails are moving around and you need to cure it in place right then and there, then a good 30 seconds. And then you always want to be sure to do your thumbs separately. So I typically like to do 4 fingers, my 4 fingers 30 seconds, my thumb 30 seconds, and then I go in with my full hand after all my nails are applied and cure for another good minute. So after all of your nails are applied, now I go in with a lint-free wipe and some alcohol, and I'm just wiping down my nails before I go in with my nail file. So this nail file is by Amazon. It's a 80/80 grit nail file. I definitely recommend giving this a try if you haven't. You guys know I rave about the 80/80 grit nail files, and they are super inexpensive on Amazon. I got like a pack of 50 of them for like $8, which is unheard of. But I'll be sure to leave a link to it down below. I'm not sure if that deal is still active, but if it is, I'll be sure to have it linked down below. But yeah, as you can see, since these are pretty much already done nails for you, there's really not too much to it. I'm just going in and perfecting that nail shape and getting any excess poly gel that I may not have gotten before curing. And as you can see here, I did get some around my pinky area, so I just went in with some cuticle nippers and cut that out because it's easier to do that around the cuticle than with that emery board. Going back in and just fully removing all that dust and debris off of my nails. So for top coat, a lot of people don't think to do this, but you definitely want to top off your nails after you finish doing all of that work. You want to seal in all of that hard work. And for my top coat, I'm going to use this Nails Cat Subtle Glitter top coat. This is one of my favorites. This is also a no wipe top coat, and I definitely recommend her brand. Her polishes are just top tier. I really am starting to fall in love with them. But yeah, I'm just going in and I'm doing a thin layer of that. This is also going to help with the longevity of your nails as well, and just help them stay nice and shiny for really as long as you want. This no wipe top coat is amazing because it doesn't dull like a lot of top coats do. It definitely holds its shine. And when doing top coat with big gems like this, I just try and go around the gems. I never put top coat on top of them. Some people do. It's totally your preference, but me personally, I just opt against that. As you can see here, I'm going in and I'm wiping the sides of my nails down. It just helps eliminate the bulkiness from any top coat or gel polish in general. Last and final step is cuticle oil. This was so quick and easy, you guys, and honestly, like, looking at these nails, it does not look like you got these nails for $2 off of Shein. It looks like this is a full set. You walked straight out of a salon. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much. Let me know in the comments what videos you guys want to see next, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.